Hey guys, and welcome to episode 2 of Software Explorer. Today I'm checking out Appypie, an app builder that lets you build apps on the iPhone, Android, Blackberry, Windows and Amazon's Fire OS. Now, Appypie is a free app builder technically. However, if you want to publish on iTunes or Google Play, for example, you will need to fork out some cash, and we'll get to that in a moment. On the free plan, what you can do is you can build the app and you can test it. So Appypie will send you a link eventually via email, which allows you to download your app on your device and test it out basically. Let's move over to the pricing plans now and check those out. Essentially, we're starting at the top here with Platinum at $50 a month, Gold $30, Basic $15, and free is what I just described to you. And also it comes with ads as well, the free app. Even though it can't actually be exported to iTunes or Google Play, it will have ads on the downloadable test version. As for the basic, gold and platinum, there's no ads, and you can white label the platinum version too. And as you can see, there's more platforms supported on the platinum version. It does get quite pricey, but basically they offer some sort of consulting service that allows you to access their team, who then help you get your app published on iTunes, Google Play, etc. Anyway, let's go back to the home page and get started with create your free app. Right, so this is the start screen. Enter the app name. Go with CMS Critic, if I can spell it correctly. And here's a category that you can choose from. There's business, information, online business, and a few others. I'm going to go for business, keep it simple. Click on next. And so next up we've got choose a theme. Now this allows you to, obviously choose a theme. And they've got, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 themes to choose from. Some look better than others. These ones here, I wouldn't recommend. I mean, basically just a full screen image with some navigation at the bottom there. The top ones look a lot better actually in terms of design. This one is not too bad. Yeah, let's go for this one here. Looks nice and simple. And then we come across the design. So we've got app pages. You start off with about us and call us, contact, inquire. Pretty sure those three are the same thing almost. Website, photo. Okay. So if I click on individual pages, I could there's tutorials that come with it. There's delete button, enable login, hide page, close. I'm going to delete that. But before I do, here are the options that come with it. I mean, this is what the call us page will look like. Not exactly, the design could be better. I mean, the call us bit there is right on the edge of the screen. Considering that this is a default theme, you'd expect that to present a little better than that, but hey, at least you've got the options here to, is icon options? No, the icon options aren't there, but you can rename the page, rename the, underneath mobile phone and residence, you can rename that, and enter your own phone number, of course. Standard stuff, but we'll get rid of that. Contact page, probably relatively similar stuff. Looks a bit, that's much more well presented though, that's more like it. Inquire page, right, this has a form on it. You can book appointments on there, get quotes. Right, it's just a quote, it's just different types of forms basically. You can create your own custom form too. Right, it seems pretty cool, to be fair. You can have your own form fields here. Have some radio options and payment settings. Right, so Appypie does support PayPal. Interestingly, you can have a Pay Now button of PayPal integrated into your app, which is handy. Right, okay, that seems pretty straightforward. Let's move on to website here. I mentioned it's just a link to your website. You can configure whether it enables in-app browser, navigation buttons, and so forth. Fair enough, you just insert your URL into there. That's all well and good. And the photo, self-explanatory. Well, maybe not. Seems like you can import from Facebook, Flickr, Pinterest, Instagram, and have your own custom as well in there. If I was to go there. Right, so that's actually taking directly from Facebook's Facebook page. So these are all the timeline photos from Facebook's official page, as you've got there. I imagine if I was to change that with somebody else's, you know, if you have your own Facebook page, you change your link there. So Facebook slash, you know, Facebook is obviously Facebook's official page. If you swap that out with your one, you'll be able to bring in your own timeline photos, and you can actually change that to, yeah, as you can see here, cover photos. Maybe click preview. Yeah, there you go. So you can, there's plenty of albums and stuff you can choose from, and it seems to work quite well. Fair enough. So that's just a nice little way to have a little gallery in your own app there. If you go back to the About Us page, which is the main area, I believe, some standard text editing going on here. You have URLs at the bottom, and as you can see, there is a preview on the right here, obviously showing you exactly what's happening, and now updates in real time, I imagine. Yes. Ignore the terrible typing there. Yeah, that updates in real time, so you can see exactly how it's going to affect your app. And as you can see, I'm working on the iPhone here, but I can change that to Android, can I? Smartphone? Yeah, it just changes the, go for a tablet. Gives me a preview of the tablet too. It's pretty cool. Interesting. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Go to theme customization. This is the home page of the app, obviously. So I've got my About Us page, Contact Us page, Inquire, Website, and Photo. I've got a splash screen there, which will appear to the app visitor when they first open the app, which I can change. There's quite a few different, yeah, decent selection there. Nothing, you know, nothing groundbreaking. You can upload your own too. Different categories to work through. That seems cool. The app icon. Again, you can upload your own, or you can select something that they've cooked up. Some standard icons in there. Further down is the app background. In this particular theme, I don't think it makes a difference, but there you go. Orientation seems to be these little, right. That's just me. I'm able to change my theme here basically. If I were to turn that on, I'm not sure how that affects the outcome, but let's keep it off just in case. Style and navigation just allows you to, well, what does that allow you to do? It just allows you to change the title of your app within the app itself. Decent amount of fonts there. Font sizes. Background colors can be changed quite easily. There we go. It's pretty cool. The navigation layout, we've got images here, and I wonder if that will change. Yeah, you can quite easily change that. Okay, so that's pretty easy to change and switch between. Image and font settings, hide title background. Okay. Hide text, thank you. You can center the text, align it right, top, middle, bottom. It's pretty cool. Right. Navigation style and color scheme doesn't seem to be something I can change at the moment. Perhaps with a different theme that will be available. Page style and color scheme. This is all just, you know, different color schemes that you can tinker with. App overlay. Okay, I'm not sure what that does exactly. There's no little icon here to tell me either. But again, pretty straightforward. Some nice little customization options in there. And I think I'm done on this page really. Mainly about color and general layout options. If I head over to build, and here is where Appypie once again prompts you to fork over some cash. Again, I'm going to go for the free option. They give me another little promotional splash page here, which I'm not interested in. Thank you for using Appypie's award-winning app builder. Dear Kaya, thank you for using Appypie's. Yep. Right, so basically this is instructing me that my app is ready, and they're going to email it to me within the next 2 hours, and I will then be able to download my app onto my device, my iPhone in this case, and I can then test it on my device. If I want to publish it to iTunes or to Google Play, for example, again I'll have to go for a higher plan, a paid plan. Let's go back to my dashboard here, just to go back to the app, my apps. Should have 2 apps created. Right, that's confusing. I'm not sure what all that's about, but this is the one I just created. Finished off on. To get back into that, I'm not sure how. If I want to go and edit that, edit the app, okay. Right. I have to edit my app, I have to either share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, or upgrade my plan. Which is pretty crazy, to be honest. I actually cannot edit my app now unless I share it or pay money, which is a shame. But there you have it. That's Appypie for you. Not exactly. I'm not sure about what to say there. I was looking forward to going back into the app and editing it, but I've been stopped in my tracks. Not a fan of that feature for sure. It looks like it can build some pretty basic apps for, you know, a small business looking to have some sort of presence on an app store, perhaps to give their customers a different way to get in contact with them, provide some, you know, exclusive information. But you're not going to be building any, you know, groundbreaking applications for this. You're not going to be building the next Snapchat or the next Periscope, you know, but it gets a small job done for what seems like a small price. You know, at the very least, you'll be sharing this all over Facebook and Twitter just to edit your app, unfortunately. Other than that, it seems, you know, usable. There were no major errors there. I am disappointed, I must say, by the fact that it didn't let me edit my app in that way. I can create a new one, it seems. I can create as many as I like, as far as I know. I can indeed. But if I publish one and then go back to edit it, it's asking me to share or pay, which is disappointing. But hey, there you go, Appypie. If you're interested in finding out more about Appypie, visit appypie.com. You can go there and build your own app for free, kind of. And they also have a hub on cmscritic.com where we have a directory for app builders. Other than that, thank you for watching. Do subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next week for episode 3.